Hello, my name is Mark Ledford and I'll be presenting to you my Unit 7 Photoshoot. Here are the 4 images that I chose, or that I took pictures of. This is a nice house off of a busy road. I took the picture, it was gated, fenced, and I really liked the big, huge rock in the front. It just basically said the house number. Next, we have this one. And this house is kind of different because of the way it's shaped. Not shaped per se, but the way it's on a hill. And when you walk towards it, you go down a very steep hill. This is of my house, actually. This little part of the house is actually where I stay in, where I sleep in. And as you can tell right here where my mouse is, this right here is the restroom, while just this part right here is the room. And last I have is this one, which is a photograph of a brick house. Well, the back of a brick house, but I like the way how it turned in. It looks like the basic concept of a house that 5-year-olds draw, or like anybody draw really. The square with the triangle on top is what this one gives off, but in a 3-dimensional state. And here I have information of each kind of house. What the f-stop was, the shutter, and the ISO. What is this one? And on these, I put the original image. In this document, I put the original image.